Hello, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow homemade recipes every week. In this episode, we are making soy milk. When I was a little kid, Mom used to buy freshly made soy milk from the farmer's market in the morning. Together with some fried pastries or steamed buns, the breakfast always jump-started my days so that I could be excited to go to the daycare without dragging my legs, and Mom could go to work on time. Although it is easier to grab a carton from the grocery store, I still prefer the freshly homemade version. Besides, it's almost effortless to make a jar or two at home anyways. Let's begin. I highly recommend using organic soybeans for its health benefits. The brand does not matter. Soak the beans in water for 2 hours or until they rejuvenate completely into the oval shape. Drain and put the beans to a kitchen blender. Add 2 cups of water. Switch to milkshake level, blend for 5 minutes. Then pour the liquid into a pot with 7 cups of water. Feel free to adjust the amount of water to the thickness and taste you prefer. Bring it to a simmer on medium heat. Keep stirring so the bottom is not burned, and do not walk away, otherwise the soy milk may spill everywhere. Do not ask me how I knew. In about 15 minutes, move the foam away. You can see the liquid is simmering. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Turn off the heat. If you prefer drinking it hot, then fill the cup and enjoy. For me, I preferred it lukewarm, so I let it cool down for a while. It also gives a chance for the ground beans to sink into the bottom and easy to filter. Pour the soy milk through a sheet of steamer cloth. Besides the tasty soy milk, we got some leftover ground beans. Store them in the freezer, as I will show you how to use it to cook another delicious dish in the next episode. With some favorite cookies, a perfect snack to boost energy in the afternoon and pick up beautiful childhood memory. I'm glad you stayed through the video and hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, and see you around.